Today is Thanksgiving. It's gonna be my first ever Thanksgiving. In the Philippines, we don't normally celebrate it, so I'm really excited. This is also the first time I'll ever taste a turkey, so yeah. Get ready with me for the Thanksgiving party. Zane is already ready though. Let's do our makeup. Wala pala ako masyadong nadalang makeup. So, I don't usually wear foundation or concealer or whatever. I just use a powder. I don't know how to do makeup though.
Think about lippy?
What kind of lip paper?
Lipstick.
Okay. Then after that is eyebrow na agad. So usually fina-follow ko lang talaga yung aking eyebrow kasi marunong nung mga shape na yan. Yan lang. Sa kabila. Ayan, ganyan lang. Fill in the blanks lang talaga ginagawa ko. Then blend na natin siya. Blend.
Oh, come on. Time out.
Diba? Fill in the blanks lang. Tapos pag may mga space pa, finifill ko ulit.
Good.
The other side.
Hey, you want that gift?
And the next kong ginagawa is Rare Beauty Check That. I like this. I really love this. Like, so much. Grabe, sobrang pigmented niya. Ang problema ko lang dito, super liit. I think it's $17 tapos sobrang liit niya.
You add 3 dots?
Yep, 3 dots and then...
Can you add some too?
Yeah, sure.
Hey,
I just use the brush. Sobrang dali lang niya i-blend, guys.
Can you buy the best custom unit?
The other side. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. Pero since meron po akong blind blush, dadagdagan ko pa yan. Dagdagan pa natin ng 2 dot. 1, 2. 1, 2. Tapos isang maliit sa nose. Then blend again. Dito naman tayo mag-focus sa cheeks. Tapos i-blend natin paakyat. Yan. Gusto ko yung ganyan. Pink na pink ang muka. Huh?
Wait.
Brush natin sa taas. Tapos, etong nose, ganyan lang. May changes? Wala. Then next is lippies na. Ang nalala ko is Maybelline Super Stay Teddy Tint. So, it's just tint. So, gusto ko to. Super lightweight niya. Tapos, ang gusto ko talagang lipstick is sobrang close lang sa lips ko. Like, natural looking all the time. Buildable naman siya, kaya lang super dami mong kailangan ilagay bago siya magkaroon ng tint. Unlike yung mga super stay na matte lipstick ng Maybelline na one swipe lang, all goods na. Ito medyo kailangan mo siya talagang i-build. Very natural looking, that's how I like my makeup. Hindi ako nakapadala ng mascara, but lagay tayo ng eyeliner. Oh, diba? Ganyan lang. Unti lang. Oh, diba? Ganda-ganda. Last is lip oil. Para lang magkaroon siya ng glowy feeling.
Look at lip oil.
And that's it. That's how I do my everyday glam. Like, every time na lalabas ako. Ang go-to ko lang talaga is powder, lip tint, eyebrows, and then cheek tint. That's it. That's how I do my makeup every day. Ayusin natin yung buhok. So, magtataas ako ng buhok kasi naka-turtleneck ako. Iwan natin to. Ayusin natin to ng very slight. Like that. That's it for the glam. That's it for the hair. Food check. Look at that turkey, y'all. Ang daming sisig po, bro, ah.
Sisig dog?
Oh, sisig.
Okay, that's enough.
No, later na. For the part. Sisig ni tita, masarap to eh.
Hindi mo tinikman yung lumpiang hubad ko?
Titikman ko yan. Teka, di na kasya sa plato eh. First taste of turkey, guys. Let's go. Sarap. Sarap ng turkey. Lumpiang hubad.
Hubad. Borderless Queen. Lumpia.
Home Alone. Sarap. Favorite ni Lola ko to sa Pilipinas eh. Lumpiang sariwa. Leche flan. Yum, yum, yum. So, what are your thoughts on Thanksgiving?
Okay. It's good.
You?
Awesome. It's pretty fun.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
So, what do you think of the food?
It's pretty yummy.
Which food do you like the most?
Sisig.
So, what do you think of the food scene?
It's nice.
And what is your favorite?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti still. How about you?
Sisig.
Sisig, you like the food? Did you taste the turkey?
No. Not yet.
You didn't taste the turkey. Did you taste the turkey? How was it?
It is pretty nice. It still tastes like chicken.
Yeah. But a really, really nice chicken though.
Yeah.
Thanksgiving is over. I am so tired. I'm so sleepy. I had so many food in my tummy right now. I love the turkey. I love it. It's so good. But right now, I am just so tired. I want to sleep. I have work tomorrow. Yeah, I guess that's it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope you guys got a glimpse of what Thanksgiving is. It's just typically a Christmas event in the Philippines where people eat together and spend time together. It's for my very first Thanksgiving. This is a good one. So here's to more Thanksgiving to come. Bye.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Bye-bye!